Yeah, so the Uptime Elements implementation guide for us is a culmination of different stories, tips and tricks that would help a young reliability engineer coming into the industry not make the same mistakes that we did, right? So all of our learnings that we could culminate into, a 100-page document that hopefully would help somebody to avoid some of the common pitfalls and mistakes. So I think that's really, what it's all about. We really focus on not the successes, but the actual failures. What does it actually take to get something done, right? And what are the, common themes that are consistently applied throughout the elements. The person, that's super green to reliability and asset management could pick it up off the desk and read it and get something out of it. The people that were involved in writing it were practitioners that have been around in the industry for 20, 30, 40 years. So a lot of great knowledge information share that we were able to do. We culminated down to a couple key themes that really, begin to resonate. And I think, for the people that are new to the industry, that are new to this type of role, if they can understand and kind of grasp those 4 key things to think about as they're going through their application, it's going to make them super successful.